Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to search for and find information about animals. After logging in, hover your cursor over the List tab in the menu bar near the top of the page. In the drop-down menu, click on the Owned Animals link. This will take you to a page that shows you all of your owned animals. By looking up here, I can see how many animals I own. I currently own 3. I can move from one animal to the other by clicking on these numbers up here. However, let's say you have hundreds of animals and you want to look for the details of a particular animal. Instead of clicking through the animals one by one, use the search menu off to the left of the page to find the animal you're looking for. You can modify the search boxes by clicking on Show Options. This allows you to customize your searches. You can search other categories by hovering over the Add Field button and then clicking on the category you'd like to search by. In this area, you'll find information about the animal you're looking at. In this area down here, you'll find 14 tabs that contain specific information about the animal. Click on them to open them up. In the Pedigree tab, we see the pedigree chart of the particular animal we are looking at. By clicking on any of the animals in the pedigree chart, we are taken to a page where we can see the details about that particular animal. To return, click on the back button in your browser. Okay, let's move on. By clicking on Active Animals from the drop-down menu, we are taken to a page that displays a list of all our active animals. You can see up here that I have a grand total of 3 active animals. And here again, you can use the search menu on the left to find specific animals. Also, if you click on any of the underlined headers at the top of each column, the program will sort by that column in ascending or descending order. For example, if I click on Animal Name, the list will sort itself alphabetically. A little arrow will appear showing that it is sorting in ascending order. If I click on the header again, the list will resort itself in reverse alphabetical order. The little arrow is now pointing down, showing that it is being sorted in descending order. You can do this with any of the other headers. By clicking on the registration number of an animal, you will be taken to the details page for that specific animal. Okay, by going back up to the drop-down menu and clicking on the Inactive Animals link, we are taken to a list that shows all of our inactive animals. All of the search features are the same on this page as they are on the Active Animals page. Currently, I don't have any inactive animals, so let's move on. Let's go back up to the drop-down menu and click on Active Dams. This takes me to a page where I can see all my active dams. I currently have 1. By clicking on the registration number, you are taken to the animal registration page, where you can register a calf out of that animal. The dam's registration number is already filled out for you. Now that we've covered how to search for your own animals, let's talk about how to search for other breeders' animals. Let's go back up to the menu bar and click on Animal Search. This takes us to a master list of all UBB registered animals, of every status. This list is pretty massive. As you can see, at this moment, it contains 157,639 registered animals. To help you find the animal you're looking for, you can use the search menu on the left. By default, this page is automatically sorted by registration number in descending order. Here, you can also use the sorting function by clicking on any of the headers. And that's it! Now you know how to find animals and look up their details.